Munene wa Maminista Musalia Mudavadi asekana Silikali Niyaseuvya Kikosi Mwanya cha Missing Persons Unit Kukitana Syiko Sya aka Kuawa Musalia asekana Kikosi kila kitongo ni Inspector Munene wa polisi Douglas Kanja kithwa ungua mubea wa isalo kitengoni cha homicide oka ibindani Syiko Sya na yimwesi Kuawa kwa akasithitwe mwakani wa 2024.
Musalia Mudavadi na ula ni Minista Munene n'uwetie kana Syiko Sya Kuawa kwa aka tesikinyite munovalo kuweta kaya na imata mavikite na kuwa wanzini wa miita tumbetu ula waweta kana ukunikiliwa Syiko imakati wa iita ivikite na kuminwa Otawa Inspector General wa Polisi Kuseuvya uvongo wa kudhuima Syiko Easya Kuawa kwa aka
and ongoing violations of the rights of women. In particular, the country has recorded a total of 7,107 sexual and gender-based cases, gender-based violence cases from September 2023 to date. Nairobi County recorded the highest number of SGBV cases, while Samburu and Mandera counties had the lowest incidence. There are 100 murders of women from August to November 2024. So far, the Directorate of Criminal Investigations has completed investigations on these, and the majority are pending before court. The Inspector General of Police has formed a specialized Missing Persons Unit domiciled at the DCI Homicide Unit to deal with cases of femicide.
Wendia Kenya kutumia mitandao nisa kwa kila kuweta tayidhito yutumwa kusambasa imasi andato itena ukweli.
On social media and the rise of sensational and misinformation, we request citizens to be vigilant to sensationalist social media posts and seek to verify the authenticity of information posted online. While social media is an invaluable tool for disseminating news, it has unfortunately been used by several individuals to manipulate public perception and pursue political agenda inconsistent with our national interests and against the sanctity of the Constitution. Social media has been misused to perpetuate a narrative that certain lawful arrests were abductions, when in fact those arrested are either awaiting trial or have been released after the necessary legal procedures. Some of the people allegedly kidnapped were safely reunited with their families, for instance, the two Kitengela brothers and activists. All arrests will be conducted within the bounds of the law, and we remain committed to upholding the principles of justice and due process. Any officer found contravening these principles will be held accountable.
Itina wa serikali kumia namba imwele kaiva wanokenda mwenenze kukwata uthukumu wa serikali kana e-citizen. Mudavadi n'uwetie ukolania wako utitawongelekete mwana vikia milioni maana kenda kila muthenya.
That 375,000 daily for different services. Over 13 million users are registered on e-citizen platform. We also closed down 1,130 pay bills and created a single pay bill, the famous 22222, for payment of all government services. This has resulted in the collection of Kenya shillings 900 million daily.
Minista uonu wa maikithisi ya Kenya kana kavindani kaatu elekele masiku ku useseita mululume iliotaua kulia nenze mathokoma kuvene na maofisa mausesei. Guripoti ya vlingu wa mauvo Nilina Mosangi.